Guys, today in this video we are going to learn about how to install a special kind of tempered glass on your mobile phone. And the specimen that we are going to use today is my Tecno Spark 7T. I have already reviewed this mobile phone and the related videos are available in I button or in the video description below. Now, as we know, virtually all mobile phones today come with this kind of glossy display, and these displays are nightmare for your eyes due to the kind of reflections, the glare, especially if you're using them outdoors. These mobile phones are not at all easy to use. So today what we are going to do is we are going to turn this glossy screen into a matte screen, something like this. Yes, as we see, we're going to get rid of all the reflections and we are going to make the phone really easy on your eyes. Now let's start with the stuff that we are going to need for this tutorial. The first thing is obviously what we need is a tempered matte glass. Yes, by the way, this is a glass which is in matte finish. This is not a plastic film. Okay, this is an actual tempered glass and I have ordered it online. First thing that we need to do is check if it fits, because a lot of time what we get is the wrong size or the wrong dimension. Plus we'll need a plastic tape or sticky tape and a simple glass cleaner. You can use Colleen or something else. Now you can easily buy all of these things online, and affiliate buying links for all of these are available in the video description, in the first comment, or in the view product section right over here in this corner. Guys, I'm really impressed the way this Tecno phone was packaged. Not only they provided us with this very unique crystal back cover or back protector, the company has also pre-applied a simple screen guard on top of it. Yeah, I know it's a basic plastic film, but at least it's there. Even the premium brands are not offering these little things these days. So what we're going to do is we'll be removing all of this without the use of violence. Yes, I see most of the shops are using some kind of screwdrivers or pry tools or just trying to dig in with their fingernails. No, today we don't need any of that. What I'm going to use this is a sticky tape or a cello tape, and I'm going to put it on lower right corner of your mobile phone, and this way we are going to lift up the existing plastic film without using any kind of undue force. And you see, and there we go, and here the plastic film is up and away. So of course this was a basic plastic film, but hey, it's better than nothing, right? But yeah, it is the glossy variety. So what I'm going to do is we are going to replace it with a proper matte glass. Before we do that, we need to clean this thing very thoroughly. Generally most screen guards will come with wipes like these are alcohol wipes, but sometimes what I've noticed is that they come dry. Maybe the stock is old or something and these things come dry. So what you can do is you can use a simple microfiber towel. There are these nice microfiber towels which is generally used for cleaning cars and such. So they are very soft and you can buy those things. Again, link in the description below. So you can use microfiber towel along with a bit of glass cleaner. You can use Colleen, you can use variety of automotive glass cleaners which are available online. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just thoroughly clean the whole thing. Make sure that your mobile phone is free of dust. The number one reason that application of tempered glass will get bubbles is dust in the environment. So make sure you're doing this in a dust-free environment. Do it indoors. Close the doors and windows, turn off the fan, all right? And make sure that there is no dust on your mobile phone at all. If you do get a speck or two, you can lift it up using sticky tape. Just take a small bit of tape, lift that dust particle up, and then you're good to go. Now as the phone is clean, I'm going to remove the backing, the protective film of this matte glass, and I'm going to apply it at once. And yes, let me emphasize, you have to do this once, because tempered glass does not give you a second chance. So make sure you pay special attention to the camera cutouts, to the speaker grills, align it properly and drop it into place. And as it drops in, as these things are self-adhesive, it's just going to hold itself in the place. You can help it by massaging it a bit using this microfiber cloth. If there are small bubbles, don't worry, they are going to go away. Just massage them outwards so all the air can be removed and we'll have a bubble-free application. Now those who are watching this video with their eagle eyes, they might have noticed that there is this silver border around the entire phone. Now why that happens is because modern mobile phones have slight curved edges around their perimeter. and this curvature provides air space for the air to get in, and this is the reason you have this silverish kind of border visible. So what we are going to do is we are going to get rid of it. Of course, I mean, yeah, it's at the edge of screen and it's not going to hinder your functionality, but since we like doing everything perfectly, we are going to get rid of it. So what you do is you take your cloth and you gently squeeze out all the air. You can use glass cleaner for added lubrication to make the whole thing smooth. And now as we see this silver lining, gradually it is disappearing. You need to take your time. There's no need to force any of it. Just gently use your microfiber cloth, use the glass cleaner if you want, and keep squeezing the air out very gently. So as we see, the entire application looks absolutely picture perfect. And here I have brought it out in my garden, and as you can see, this matte glass is an absolute joy to use. You know what else could be a joy? Well, you can watch a few of my mobile phone tutorials, and clickable cards in the form of thumbnails will pop up right here in front of you. You can click on any of them, jump to those videos, maybe learn something new about mobile phones today. That's it for this neat little video, guys. I hope you liked this one. Take care and have a nice day.